What's up? Sorry, had to. What is this? Oh Lord, I've already forgot what I'm doing. 2016 Contenders draft picks. These are like crazy affordable boxes. You get 5 autographs, but I guess the rookie class wasn't so good, so the price is very affordable. And seeing as it's almost time for me to pay the tax man, trying to save a little money while still opening some cards, so that's what we're going to do today. Although the last time I actually pulled a really nice vet auto out of this stuff, so I think often when you don't have high expectations is when you kind of do good and pull something good, so maybe that'll happen again today. You never know. Alright, lots and lots of cards. I'll try to keep it moving. Matter of fact, I don't think I'll read every name. We'll just kind of hit on the highlights and check out the autographs, of course. Class reunion, bonus. Did I open it? Yeah, this is the same one I opened, I think. Yeah, Buddy Hield is his rookie year, right? Chris Dunn, game day. Somebody comment below and let me know, are there any players in this rookie class that could still like completely just bust out and completely change the value of these boxes and make them go from, you know, crazy affordable to, you know, much higher? Is there anybody in here that could still go nuts and make this year product super desirable, this box super desirable? I'm really curious. Man, we've opened a good number of packs and don't have an autograph yet. Ulyss. Ben Simmons, he's in this? Oh yeah, I guess so. Huh. Does he have autographs in this? Is this the same box I opened? Now I'm confused. I don't remember Ben Simmons being in here. Because if he has autographs in here, then this box would not be so affordable. Interesting. Rozier. Durant. Wow, he looks a lot younger there just a few years ago. He looks way different. There's Buddy Hield. Baldwin, Chris. Yep, there's Ben Simmons and Tim Quarterman, Collegiate Connections, LSU. I didn't realize he played for LSU. There's Curry. He looks a lot younger there too. This is a lot of cards. I'm going to try to keep them from going all over the place. You know what? Maybe this is my first time opening this year of draft picks. I think I opened 15, 16 contenders. So I think I'm completely wrong in thinking that I've opened this. Plumlee from Duke. So you're going to scratch everything I said at first, because I don't think I've ever opened this draft picks version. Wow, Klay Thompson looks younger there too. So actually, that's kind of okay. Well, my question, there's Harden. He looks young too. Wow, it's only 2 years ago, yet these people look like kids. What's happening? Does the NBA age people? So my question though still applies to 15, 16 contenders. That box. Because, you know, you can get that box for like, I don't know, Ben Simmons again, 35 bucks, somewhere in that range. So is there anyone in that box that could still like go nuts? James Webb III, Boise State. Well, now that I see Ben Simmons in here, I hope he's got autographs in here and that I get one. That would be nice. Get 5 autos total, which I guess that should have tipped me off, because don't you get 6 in the Contenders box? Pretty sure you do. Another Curry. 2 Jamal Murrays. Kyrie. Iguodala, Irving, Ben Simmons again. Alright, Ben Simmons, if you got an autograph in here, go ahead and make yourself known. Durant, old school colors. Go ahead and pop on out here. Pop on out here and actually come on out here and cracked ice version. How about that? That'd be okay, wouldn't it? That would be perfectly fine with me. Who we got? Oh, well, that's not bad. Well, it's not that great, but it's somebody I know. It's somebody I've heard of. That always makes me happy. Although I've been watching some basketball lately. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I said my mission was going to be to really integrate myself into the NBA world. And I'm working on it. Alright. So what do we got? Should have 2 more hits. 2 more autographs. One's going to be Ben Simmons. I just know it. Or Embiid. That would be nice. He's probably not in here though, as far as autographs. A nice vet hit wouldn't be bad if they're in here. Ben Simmons game day. Blake Griffin. Carmelo. Curry old school. I think we've already seen that one. Here it nope, I was about to say here comes another autograph. Nope. We're still looking for two more Harden old school. Valentine, Zimmerman, Chris Wall. Alright, getting down and packed. Still looking for a couple autographs. Winslow, Kaminsky. This is Kaminsky. I pulled his autograph out of the Contenders box. I think I've posted that video. I hope. Got 3 packs and we're looking for 2 more autographs. Tim Duncan, Anthony Davis. So what's happening here? Am I going to get shorted an autograph? Because you know I'm notorious for that. Here's one. And it is A.J. Hammonds. And it is the draft ticket parallel. 81 of 99. That's a nice signature. Good looking card there. Clay Thompson, last pack. I'm not seeing the autograph, so let me look at my little stack of autos. Maybe I counted wrong. Otherwise, I just got screwed again. Who knows? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, and this says find 5 autographs, of course, per box on average. Well, that stinks. You know what? I have the worst luck with that. You know, I've sent Panini in requests when I'm missing autographs many times. At some point, I imagine they probably think I'm full of it, so I've started like sending them links to my videos so they can understand that I'm telling the truth. I don't know if they ever watch them, but there's a question for you guys. Is it just me, or is Panini quality control really bad and it's happening to you guys too? I need to know, is it just me having really bad luck with getting all my hits, or is it happening to you too? So that's my question for you today. And if you would take just a minute to answer, I would really appreciate it, because that's really something that's been on my mind lately about how does this keep happening to me. I won't feel better if it's happening to you too. You know, I really won't. I don't want it to happen to you, but I'm really curious. So it definitely looks like I'm missing one because I'm not seeing one show up here. I'll keep on flipping through just for a minute, just to be 100% sure before I end this video. I probably will not complain to Panini because I didn't pay that much for this box, and it's not a huge deal. It's much more upsetting when, you know, you pay up for a good brand new box and don't have your hits. Of course, it doesn't do much good. The hits that they send me to replace the missing hits are usually not that good, leaving you to wonder, you know, what could have been if you had received all your hits in the first place. Oh, Panini, sometimes I like you and sometimes you make me really sad. That's it. I got shorted. Alright, well, that's a shame. Alright, everybody. My camera got all crazy and everything. I don't even know what y'all were watching. Y'all might have been looking outside for half the time. I hope everybody's doing well. Take care. I'll be back with some more cards for you soon.